In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily find and merge duplicate contacts inside of your iPhone's Contacts app. In the past, we've been able to go through and manually merge duplicate contacts, but it was tedious and it took a while. If you've accidentally added someone's email, then a phone number, or another form of contact separately, then Apple may have listed them as different contact cards. You would in the past go through and manually merge one to another. But now with iOS 16, the option comes up right away and lists every duplicate automatically. Before we begin, you must be updated to the latest iOS version, iOS 16. To check your iOS version, just head into the Settings app. Inside of here, scroll down and tap General and then Software Update. If you haven't yet updated, you can go ahead and start the process here. Once you're on iOS 16, let's look at how to find and merge duplicate contacts. Start by opening the Contacts app. This is where iOS 16 makes the process super simple. If you have any duplicate contacts, it will automatically pop up here underneath your contact card. If it doesn't appear automatically, you may have to refresh your screen by pulling down and releasing to refresh. You can see here that mine shows 31 duplicates found. When you're ready, tap View Duplicates. It will then show you a list of all the duplicate contact cards in your account, along with how many cards that it found with the same name. If you want to review each duplicate individually, just select a contact. It will then show you all the copies matching the same name that it found. If you're sure that all the info is for the same person, just tap Merge at the bottom, and then again to confirm. It will then merge all the duplicate contact cards and remove it from the duplicate list. If you're on a duplicate contact card though that you're not sure of, or if it's not the same person, then you can tap Ignore at the bottom. The other option that you have is to merge all contacts automatically. To do that, just head back to the duplicates main list, and at the bottom tap Merge All and then Merge to confirm. And finally, if you'd like just to ignore all the duplicates and not be notified, tap Ignore All here. And that's how you find and merge duplicate contacts inside of iOS 16.